My country people, on a good morning, on a good afternoon, on a good evening, depending on where they watch this video from or when you take come across this video. My name is Igbonovia Osamudabe, and I'm the report for Edo CBC. Today, my country people, I come monitor the work with one of our viewers from Edo CBC, give one of the POP men waiting for Edo CBC. Oga POP man, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, for those who see for the first time, you go tell your name and the work we they do again.
My name is Odia Randy Anderson. I dey do POP job, then screening, warframe, and normal
Wall designs.
normal wall designs.
Okay. Oga Randy, now one work we come to Edo CBC now will come monitor today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you take a look at the kind of work where you come do for this house.
No, just normal classic POP, just normal classic POP. Now we do.
Okay, my current people, before we go proceed for this video, I beg before now give any of our partners work, any of them at all. For those who see they said to any of them, make una beg, make una they call us. Our number the day on top of any of our videos to confirm if they still there with us or not. Make una they call us first. Okay, Ogarandi, now how this house big reach?
This house now 232 meter.
Okay.
Now 3 bedroom for flats, a room and a parlor for back.
Okay. This front so na 3 bedroom.
Yes.
Then the back can get a room and a parlor self-contained too.
Yes.
And you see the normal classic design.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now which kind are the material where you use be?
Now I use normal material. I just use.
Okay. And the person will get us that choose the designs with the.
No. You get where you choose this. You contact someone else. They do my own. They go.
Be like.
Now lay parlor and 2 rooms. You choose put.
Okay.
So.
Oh yeah, I could start now the outside veranda and my camera use this so. Now which kind of pattern be this one?
This one H pattern.
I don't see it.
H pattern.
Now you choose this one.
No. Now we use the door these ones.
Okay.
Apart from the parlor and the master, 2 masters, then she choose herself.
Okay. This one is the outside veranda and H pattern at the very fine. Oh yeah, I could enter the parlor.
The parlor.
Okay. This one come be like say boss.
Yes.
All these holes so now light one day inside.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Okay. Now the person will get us now choose this one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, turn to the dining. Okay. So now this
Top corner cover light with circle.
this design don't popular well. You don't do it severally.
I not even feel remember.
No, so you don't do it many times. So I know of this one. Okay. This one, the person will get an eye chooser.
No.
Okay. It fits the dining because na round table na dining be.
Yes.
That middle now they'll come put those dropping lights.
Yes, sir.
Organo. Wow. My correct believe me, for those of whenever I do POP for my house, now I just get this video. Oh. Wow, this is a Zedo.
Yes.
Wow.
Z with 2 L.
Okay, if you call a double L.
Inside double L.
Okay, Z.
Why yeah?
Z. Okay. I don't see the concept where. Oh. So my people at the kitchen be this. A very fine design. We could enter the kitchen store.
Normal flat.
Okay. So a normal flat design.
Yes.
And this kitchen, I can't enter my head today. I got another one. They will see sweet parties on.
I never know. I never know.
Also, I mean, make I show them this outside.
Wow, awesome.
Okay. So now the outside. Okay. You say you never know. Another one they will don't want me. I love this one. Wow. So my people, I say for those of you who never do POP for na house, wawanya na you get am. Listen, you know if you pass through all these designer, may you not go see one choose. Imagine this passage as you just take make sense. Oh, you can carry better tape light follow inside here. Especially that one where they get warm white and different color. If they owner for this place, it go too fair. Okay. The person will get us. Now choose this one.
No.
Okay.
Now they just it never show it choose.
Okay.
The rest one is the thing they come now. Me just the do and they go as she talks in my they carry they do in my mind.
The sufficient for those CBC now. Who get time? It might go day. Come be like saying that this one. Come be like saying that this one. I me come like password. I see that kitchen you just stand there. I like her. Okay. Yeah, next. Make I show them this one.
Now this one I should choose.
Okay. She dey see her for videos well. So if like say she just screenshot her for ground say, I will need one. Okay.
So now this second master room we she choose.
Okay. Now the same with that other one.
Yes.
Making it the third room
Yes.
for this apartment.
Yes.
Yeah, na the man.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh yeah, na to go the apartment with the back now. Abi? Okay. Ogarand in the second apartment with this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one a room and a parlor.
Yes, sir. It's one Danny.
Okay. This one, I just step the design with the so.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, now I go enter the parlor. Okay. Now the person will get us. Let's choose this one.
No. This particular one, yes. Nah, she choose them.
Okay.
This one make her the third design when she choose.
Okay. We could check the dining.
Then na four corner. Now the kitchen.
Oh. Around then, which kind of design be this one?
I just think to do one.
you all look like creative for you. Okay. One resemble guitar one kind. Been a Victor wife won't be this one. Okay. So my for this now the back apartment, the room and the parlor self-contained, now the kitchen. Now be this one. Gonna they say now you're using your own initiative to create this one for you. Okay. Here at the store.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now to visit the room now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the bedroom and toilet.
Yes, sir.
The passage then just normal plain.
Yes, sir. You know, say the passage no wide.
Yes.
So as e no wide, we no fit still give am wetin wide. So as e dey like this, so we just still give am wetin dey like this.
The design of fit enter here.
No.
Wow.
So na the room for back.
I'm not gonna I want to show them. Make her from this side. Make her from this side, start her. Okay. I got on the which shot they don't have a him boy. You put small for here. And the first thing they get to that choose I've been that you create this one by yourself.
Na me just do this one myself, sir.
Oh, okay. Because the room big.
Yes.
If na normal, this normal cover light is supposed to.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So Ogarandi, now the last apartment with this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same room and the parlor.
Yes, sir.
Similar design we see
No.
the outside veranda.
Yeah, yes, similar design.
Wait, I did that one just now.
Yes, sir.
But now the parlor now you call differentiator.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Wow. I showed them the dining. Then a normal cover light.
Yes.
Okay. Now to show them the kitchen. Okay. For the kitchen, come big.
The kitchen big, so and they can't stay. This can be like form of demarcation.
Yes.
So now why we just say okay, make we separate this one, make we separate this one.
Okay. Ogaran, the last room with this.
Yes, sir.
E. Okay. And they come make I better, make I see if I fit capture am well. Na VV, it be like double V, triple V.
Yes. Let me say one single V, then two triangle.
Okay. And the person will get and I choose this one.
No, sir. As I just think of something. I say that one until they do mass that time.
Yes.
When they do inside
Macet.
so that's why I just form something like that come out.
Maybe that one with the edge there.
Yes, sir.
Now I see there, yes, so.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Una not go fit understand the concept of wetin dey here. I don't know how I want to describe am, but believe me, na very better work that day. And I help me know the turn around the see on how we take do am. So my couple, I sit there with Oga Randy, one of the POP men we did for Edo CBC. As I talk, I say I come monitor the work wey one of our viewer give am. We don go around the house, na 3 apartment house. The front na a room and a parlour self. The front na 3-bedroom flat and 3-bedroom flat. Then a room and a parlour self contain. Come join am for back. But the good part is say this room and a parlour self contain wey dey the back, so they get dining. They hard before you receive room and a parlour self contain wey dey get dining. But this one who arrange the house just make the room and the parlour contain dey comfortable. One kitchen for inside even be like the one wey dey dey some big flat. So na very big apartment na be this. Oh yeah, Oga Randy, na contract have been any person wey get house na buy material.
Contract as always.
Okay, contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then how many square meters come enter this house?
232.
232.
Yes, sir.
This house yours big reach so.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
232 square meters.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then how much you can they do per square meter for this Edo CBC viewer?
11,500.
Okay.
But based on we'd already fair agree before, because when she called me, it already go like 6 months now. So she can't remind me, say make I no worry, she go give me the job. So when it can't really reach last month, he can't really call me, give me the job. Then I can't let her know say things don't how. So she can't let me know say no wahala. But I just reason her, I just say okay, yeah, we'll do for the price when we say we fair talk for the consideration part. Now this point now the consideration part enter. So I can't say okay, we just kick off with the price when we say we don't already fair talk before. Whether I see anything, I don't see anything. So far, make I just do your work. Then
you can use your mind. You can use your mind to bless you.
Yes.
Okay, but if you want to do this kind of work now, 11,500.
Yes, as at present 11,500.
Okay.
As at present, but if maybe the as normal as usual, if you be say the designs they high, like different design they bring, can say it dey very high, like more than some would they here, or more than some would be say it be 11,500, then it will still give the price of all those ones.
Okay, but this normal classic design will just so now 11,500.
Yes, as present now.
Okay, that 11,500. So now waiting cover.
Now just my normal cement and normal my material will be say I carry the come.
Okay, and your own labor.
Yes.
Then the person will get house now. Waiting will come provide for you.
Now wood, water, nail, and scaffold, which is carpenter.
Okay.
And what he will provide give us now.
This the carpenter. So how many times he will come?
Make it not come the cost delay. So instead of carrying carpenter, if you just if you be say because we they try, we they do this thing to make sure so the thing they fast.
Okay.
So instead of to call carpenter, maybe if the money now 40,000, if you cut it into two, then say okay, make una just take do the work instead of to come the call carpenter. Come while we come wait for carpenter to come they do scaffold for us.
Okay. So my couple, una don hear I say make I ask. Una the person will get house and then go provide scaffold for una.
Yes, sir.
Wood una go to do the scaffold.
Yes, sir.
Then go provide water for una.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then every other thing now come provide them.
Yes.
Okay. Everything will go make them up, including labor.
Yes.
Maybe that's 11,000
yes.
per square meter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Oga Randy, if you calculate the entire money we enter this house for this kind of present situation we did for Nigeria, no be small money with that. So now what you get to tell all these Edo CBC viewer where they patronize you, and so someone go see this video, we go see want, we can't do something similar for them. Now what you get to tell them, sir?
No, ma, as usual. I go thank firstly, I go thank Edo CBC first, and we give us the opportunity for people to know us. Then secondly, I go still thank the person who say he give me this job, because as he gave me this job, the more I dey do the job, the more I dey do my record, the more people they know me. So I really appreciate them, and because not be all clients they want me to say they go do interview for their house. So I really appreciate them for the job and for our own sincerity. Maybe say she keep to waiting she talk for how many months she can still finally give the job out to me. So I really appreciate and I thank her well. And for those who maybe say still they come across this video, maybe say he never see this video, or maybe say go see this video tomorrow, and I still my I still the whole thanks. You understand? So anybody maybe say he still give me work for inside, I will still appreciate them and I will still do good job for them. So I thank those who be say he want watch this video and those who be say he never watch them. So I really thank everybody.
Okay, Oga Randy, for those who go see this particular video, we go want me come do their POP for them, and I make me just carry and face this age there. So mini house at this age, that the time I had. So for those who go see this kind of work, we go want me come do something similar for them. You come get your phone number now, sir.
Okay, sir. My phone number is 09056570731. The other one 08145718503.
Okay, the 2-day WhatsApp.
Yes, the 2-day WhatsApp. But the last one when I call just now, never they go for normal call for now.
Okay, but if they use that for WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my people, Oga Randy, the POP my numbers will display for the under for this video, while Edo CBC on will display for top of this video. I want to really change my voice. Without of your own to really appreciate you well, we appreciate the person who get this house and every other person who don't give Oga Randy work, and also the support will I say give her. And that one way your talk just now we say don't be everybody they allow me will carry camera come the house come they do recording, and that one I'm waiting they pay me well, so they're not free to come. I know if you can't do sweet work for you at the end of all, the work will just end for here. But if we see come record and constantly monitor the job, with that, person will see the work, we'll see one give something similar. So make una beg, make una they allow us, they come on our house, call the FEMA. You know, they remove anything come out. We know by one call location.
Yes,
what they call the area. You know by one know. That make me with the hard record surround themselves in that painting. It go hard. It go be say that you will get house and you go feel no. Say that your heart with this.
Yes.
So it did very difficult. So make una not fear. Well, the location when they take them out, when they call location, except some people will go outside the state. If we ever go outside the state, they only measure the state all day. When they measure the particular area all day. So make una beg. So Ogara the number they the under for this video. This na classic POP and now 200 how many square meters again?
232.
232 square meters now enter this house. And per square meter na 11,500 na Oga Randy say it be now 11,500. The person will get house now will provide scaffold, which is the wood. If you give them small money, say they take, but I said they need the scaffold, provide me for them, provide water for them. The rest they could take them up from there. The POPC mates, all the chemicals that they need to mix together to make the work come outside like this. Now Oga Randy now will come provide the rest. In numbers, they the under for this video. They say one person on the shop food way sweet. Want to work and do, make una beg, make una join and share this video. Make una still join Edo CBC, share this particular video. For the one who don't understand, make una call on phone, make una call Oga Randy. My country people, una do. My name still remains Igbonovia Osamudame, and this na Edo CBC.